we back. Welcome back, my 3 subscribers. Alright, let's get into it real quick. So the first lesson we learned was the media tab, right? So now we go into the audio tab. Alright. If you haven't watched my first video, go ahead and tap into my first video. You'll learn the basics we went over as far as the media tab. Yeah, we went over the media tab so you can get, familiar with, all the media, All right, let's get into it. Audio tab. All right, so the audio tab is going to be kind of quick. So you don't need to get no popcorn. You don't need to get no drink because, like I said, we'll be in and out today. In and out. All right. I know y'all got stuff to do. It's the weekend too. Man, I ain't trying to hold y'all up no more. Alright. So the first tab we got is the import. So extract audio. So we're gonna go to import and any music you may have. Let's say you download from Spotify, YouTube, or Apple Music. You can find in the tab your downloads, right? But just be careful. Especially when you put it on like YouTube and Facebook because they monetize your content. You have to find original songs when you post on Facebook and on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can do what you want to do. You can post any type of music from the future, the NBA YoungBoy, y'all like. Michael Jackson, Who's Bad, you feel me? Even if you old school, you want to go to Prince or Aretha Franklin, you can do that too. Just letting you know. Alright, let's do it. So yeah, let me see if I got any audio in my folders or anything like that real quick. I probably don't, honestly. Hold on, I got a screen record that I did. Yup. Import. And then just like we did with the timeline, with the media tab, you want it down timeline, there you go. Here you go, your audio track right here. Alright, you can raise it up, down, however you feel like you want it. You want the music high, you want the music low. I mean, it's up to you, alright? So our next tab under that is, again, this is your favorite. So the audio and media tag, my bad. The audio and media tag is going to be similar, right? Because you got your imports. Now you got yours, which is your favorites and your brand music. If you got any particular music that you want to use for your brand or for anybody else's brand, like you'll find all in these folders right here, all right? Then we got AI music. Now I ain't gonna lie, when it comes to like this one, you just explain what type of beat that you're looking for, right? I'm always looking for sports edits, so you know what I mean, sports video, something that can, hip hop, trap type feel, something upbeat, you write it here, and man, when I tell you, they give you like 3 options to choose from. It's pretty cool because again, if you're battling against, YouTube and Facebook is just putting music on there, this is another good option, just to have some type of music, Listen, it'll work. Trust me, it'll work. It's not the best of the best, but what you need it for, it'll work. Alright, then we got music. So, just like any other editing program, CapCut has its own library of music. Ask me a question. I know the next question you're going to ask me. Just ask it. The music on here, they probably got close to over 1,000 choices. Keep it real with you. Maybe 10 tops to me. Like I said, I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. I haven't went through all the music choices, but from my standpoint, I only use like 10 good ones and the rest is trash. I ain't going to sit here and sugarcoat nothing. The rest is trash. Alright. Sound effects, this is where I live at, right? I used to live in this tab a whole lot at the beginning until I started getting, effects from different websites and buying them from different people. You know, I build up my libraries where I don't even have to use none of these. Now, if I'm in a pinch and I don't feel like searching for nothing on my own, then I just come over here and find a trending, a funny one, swooshes. I like to use a lot of swooshes when it comes to like sports. You got vlog sounds, gaming sounds. I mean, you have a variety. I ain't gonna lie to you, you have a variety. Again, average. It's not the worst and it's not the best. I'm gonna put it as average sound effects. You can get away with it. If you're a beginner, I would advise you to go ahead and just tap into this right here, so you can get accustomed to the sound. So that's when you start building your reps up to see what actually you want to do when it comes to like your sound effects. So I highly suggest that. All right, and then this last one is your copyright. So pretty much, if you're curious or you really don't know or you're not sure, go ahead and check it. Every time you put music down, check it. And that way, it's gonna protect you and your client in the long run. You don't have to worry about nothing being demonetized and being shut down because you use the wrong music and you ain't got no license for it. All right, you don't want to make a banger and you get hundreds and thousands of views and like thousands of comments, and all of a sudden your money get taken by Drake because you use his song and you ain't even got the license for it. He got the license for it. So yeah, you don't want to do that, man. You don't want to do that. You don't want to put money in that man's pocket. He already rich. Why you want to put more money in his pocket for? Come on now. Think. But yeah, that's it. Listen, I told you it's quick and to the point. How many? Hold on. We at, oh my bad, people. I got lost. I want to make sure. So we at 7 minutes, close to 8 minutes. But yeah, the next lesson again. I'm trust me, it's gonna get better. I know it's kind of boring now. You know, it's like the first month of school where you know you have to, the teacher had to read off the agenda what y'all gonna be doing for the rest of the school term. I've been a teacher. I've been a student. I've been in both positions. I already know. You know, just bear with me though. We gonna make it. We gonna get there. We gonna get there. We gonna get to the good stuff. Once we figure out all these tabs, what it do, then it's on. All right. So hang in there with me. I got 3 students, 3 followers right now in this room right now currently. Again, I appreciate y'all. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to learn CapCut, come on in. Did I eat on that? Nah, I ain't. Nah, my bad. I ain't eat on that. No, hey, just cut me some slack. Cut me some slack. But listen, like I always say, if I know, you know, we all gonna grow. All right? See y'all next time.